Prayer by Binita, Chhetri. O God, grant me the ability to always support others, so I may wipe the tears of those who cry. On the path scattered with thorns, may I bloom flowers of love. Let me weep for the sorrows of others and distinguish between right and wrong. Always grant me strength and courage and bless me with a calm and serene demeanor. May my words never hurt anyone. Let me live a successful life with pure and untainted thoughts. If this life ever strays onto the wrong path, guide me back to the right way. O Lord, may your presence be with me in every single step, so that I may reach the summit of success.